Welcome back to the channel, everyone, and we're going to be completing this today. As you can see, it's a bit of a circle, bit of a square, but we're going to continue to make it into a full square. There are 6 double stitches here, and 6 will be our loop right here, and then we continue. All right, let's get started. So here we are. Again, I'll start out with 3 chains. We go under the lead, we go under the chain right here, grab the lead through it, and double stitch. Under the lead, go under the chain, grab the lead through it, pull through 2, and again pull through 2. Now we're going to be working in this area right here, so what we're going to do is go under the lead, go into this area, pull the lead through 4, and we're doing 6 of these, and that's 5. All right, so now we're going to be doing 6 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. We're going back into this area, pull through 1, 2 stitch right there, 2 stitches, and 3. We're going to go back, but now we're going under the chain, go under the lead, go under the chain, pull it through, under the lead, under the chain, pull it through, under the lead, under, there we go. All right, so there you have that little area right there. We will continue with this area right here. We are going to be doing 5 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. We go into this space right here and do single stitch. We're going to be doing 7 chains now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. We're going to go under this area here, do a single stitch. All right, 7 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Go under this area here, pull through into that space, 7, 7. All right, this is our corner here. We want to stay focused on that, and what we do here, as we did here, 5 chains. 1, 2, 3, and 5. Okay, so we go under the chain, grab the lead, pull it under, pull through 2 as usual, and back again. Okay, so we need 3 more, and what we're going to do is go under, grab the lead, pull through for 4, under, under. So you have 6. You see how that's looking so much like a square already? So let's go ahead and do in this area again. We're doing 6 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Go under, grab the lead. We want 3 more inside this area for this side. And so now doing more single stitches, but this time we're going under the chain. 1 and 2. There we go. See that? Again, we do 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And we go into this area right here, this open space. All right, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 7. Go into the space, single stitch. 1, 2, 7 chains. We go under this area here, pull through, and now going into this corner right here. This is our focus. This is the square focus now. 5 stitches. 1, 2, 5 chains, sorry. 3, 4, and 5. Again, we go under this, under the chain. Again. One more time. We need 3 more. We go under. We're going into the open space now. One more time. And there you have 6. Right there. Over here. So go ahead, we'll do 6 here. So go ahead and continue to practice, and when we come back, we're just going to close this off. It means we have completed our square, and we'll be ready to start making a piece of garment or whatever you like. Let's put this down. Let's see what there's at. That's where we're at. As you can see, our square is definitely forming. All right, and we're back. So let's go ahead and close it off. We need 5 chains, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And of course, we're going in this area right here. We are going in the 3rd chain, somewhere about there. Grab the lead, pull it through, and continue to pull through for a slip stitch. And your square is completed. Let's close that off. And there you have it. You can put it together and tie it in, and that's what we are going to be doing. All right, so go ahead and practice, and when we come back, we are going to be doing this. We're going to be putting these bad boys together to make a top or a dress or whatever you like. Put these together. Look at that so far. This could be the front of somebody's top. So we probably only need maybe 6 more to complete a top with this. Thank you very much for joining, and I will see you in the next one. Walk good.